So April 24th, woke up today earlier, 8:40, went to bed like 10. Yeah, heading for breakfast. Let's see, probably chill day, nothing much. Yeah, so my area looks kind of chill in the morning. Not much going on. Some dudes parking. Hey man. Yeah, sunny, not too hot. It's 9:20 now. The weather is like colder. At night, dogs come here. They bark a lot. Like, I don't know why, but the windows are very thin. Everything's like, you can hear everything. Like, I think this is the one Airbnb that I can hear too much. And these are my 3 a.m. roosters. Yeah, you like to bark, little dog? They're cute, but yeah, animals should be like, especially dogs should be, I think, like catched. They shouldn't be like in the street. Well, in Europe, in Lithuania, you never have this. So I guess that's why, people, like, I heard why Indians saying why everybody's filming cows in the street. Well, yeah, it's a cow in the street. What do you expect? Imagine in Europe, in the middle of the street, there would be a cow. Like, just randomly strolling around in the city center. Like, yo, what's up, man? You want some milk? You want some milka? That's very unusual. Monkeys, cows, dogs. Cat, we have cats. Cats, no problem. Yeah, how are our workers today? Look, they're so fast. They have already rocks. They put these up, the poles. Everything is looking well. I think it's gonna be like maybe another house, or they're gonna like connect this house with this house. I don't know. So I'll show you the place I eat every day, and the prices are very good, like compared to other places. Almost twice as cheap. You get an omelet for 60 and a chapati for 10. Yeah, so this is the place. Body Cafe. This is it. They open at 9. Hey, so it's 10:20. I had breakfast. Yeah, so there is like this place has kickboxing, but the owner didn't look that experienced, and it's 1,000 per private and 500 per group. Also yoga, maybe I'll go to yoga, but it's only at 4 p.m. I returned my scooter. I don't even feel like going on a scooter anyways, but basically you need a scooter. You need a scooter here. Because like this place there's not a lot of places to go besides like ganges or cafes. I don't know, maybe I'll just chill. Dude just randomly cutting the road. Hey, so just had my lunch, talked to this girl. She did it on a furnace circle. She said like a budget option is 50 euro per day, so she did 18 days, so that's like what, like 900 euros something. That's kind of a lot. So I don't know what I'm exactly gonna do. Maybe look for something simple. Don't push myself too much, because she said also some people need to be rescued by helicopter. They went to like 5,000 meters. I don't know in feet how much this is, but yeah, that's a lot. And they needed a helicopter. So a helicopter costs a hell of a money. So yeah, I'm looking now for a barber shop. I wanna get a haircut. I look kinda heavy. Yeah, I found one. Voice. Oh man, that place was like completely full. So yeah, so I asked about the rafting. It's 620. Probably you can negotiate. And it's like from 9:30, almost every hour, like for 16 kilometers. And there's also another one for 24. So 24 is in a group, and it's usually in weekends. But yeah, this is almost like every hour, every 2 hours they get a group and they just go like 620, 3 hours to complete it. Like, yeah, maybe I'll go. So I found this haircut place. Yo, that dude definitely didn't know what he was doing too much, you know, but it felt like a Muay Thai session or something. Yeah, but yeah, I'm gonna get a shower, get ready. I'm gonna check out this yoga stuff. It's the capital of yoga, so I need to do it, just to do it. So it's 400, it's upstairs. So yeah, I bought a mango also, like huge, for 80. Kind of expensive, but yeah, it's tourist prices.
Apply. Now catch your big toe slowly. Catch your big toe. And now. And both. One already. Right already back. Yes. This is flying pose. Inhale, exhale. Stretch your both leg. Stretch your both leg. Very good. Inhale and exhale. Going back. And now drop your chest and chin also. Very good. Your hip going up. Yes, very good. Your both arms going side. Slowly. Palm fully open. Inhale. Cobra pose. Both leg stretch. Your both arms going side. Arms relax. Only your chest going up. Exhale. Going like giant pose. Yes, very good. Now tuck your both toe.
Yeah, that looks awesome. Hey, so just finished that yoga. It was kind of cool, like a lot of stretching. I wouldn't say like too much, you know. There was a time we just chilled. Also, like breath work, that was nice. Like almost fell asleep. Hang from the ropes, that was cool also. Yeah, like I did it with my back straight on the wall, you know. I don't know, like I paid 400, so if you have like time, just check it out. Like relax a little bit, like before bed and something, kind of cool. Yeah. Waiting for 3 a.m. Aren't you guys? Aren't you waiting for 3 a.m.? Yo, I think they're fighting this guy or this one. Hey, so I'm back home, end of April 24th. See you guys tomorrow.